Ow. Pierce, what you got? What you got, buddy?
He's gonna end up biting you, trying to get that. Drop it.
Look, you can't have the whole thing.
He tried to eat it.
Cheyenne, is that a hair tie?
Yes.
You know how long me and him played tug of war with that rope outside while he was attached to it?
What? Oh, the leash?
No! Don't bite me!
If you don't let go, because it's gonna hurt him.
Right.
What is he doing?
He wants it.
That's not nice, boy.